Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roshan,
And I'm Ryan.
and in this first chapter, we are going to be just discussing our plans over the next few weeks. Plans into our next project and going in depth for the different resources and support that we're probably going to need. So, our main goal, as we kind of touched on last time, is to build and optimize a PTO based point observer. And PTO stands for power takeoff, and it's the system that allows for this conversion of motion into electricity using electromagnetic induction. And Kumar is going to take it away to talk a little bit more about it.
Yeah. So our first project is going to be we want to make a smaller scale water-based energy generator. So as you see here, we have a water wheel, and this is kind of a rough model of what we want our thing to look like. And we'll try to employ magnetic induction of in order to use the current of a stream behind our school in order to generate electricity. Uh, Through this project, we hope to understand the principles of the concept of magnetic flux. As you see here, we have a principal equation of magnetic flux. And yeah, Roshan's got the next slide.
So, and then ultimately, right, as I talked about, we're going to build this PTO based point observer, and it's going to kind of involve a translator and magnets and coils around it, and in using that motion into creating electricity. And this type of wave energy is professionally used across the world. And one of the main companies, Core Power, a Swedish company, is using this type of point observer method to create electricity. And we want to attempt to build a smaller model of it and ultimately improve it and innovate it.
So, as we go on throughout this project and as we've explored this project, we've noticed some problems about the renewable energy world. So like the first one is obviously high initial costs. I mean, the cost of building things and just the cost of maintaining things also, it's just too high for us to consider wave energy converters, to be a viable renewable energy source. Um, the next issue is added environmental concerns. So we don't want to exacerbate the problem we're trying to solve. So as we go through our journey, we're going to try to consider, how do the wave energy converter buoys affect the marine life around them? Or how does the waste get handled and things like that, just so that we make sure that we're not creating a negative impact while trying to create a positive impact. The third thing is there's not enough awareness of people changing up from there's not enough awareness or interest in changing our renewable our energy generation methods. Um, People just don't seem to know much about this field, and through creating a YouTube channel, we're trying to put in our own small contribution into raising awareness.
Mhm.
And the final problem, which is definitely not the least important problem, is actually a problem that is caused by the current petroleum and slash coal-based energy companies. So, they're the companies that currently dominate the energy market right now. And it's against their interest for renewable energy to, really get in its stride because that just serves as extra competition for them uh in the market of the world. So, you know, um they're trying to halt our growth.
Mhm.
Uh so as we sort of so that this is a problem that we'll definitely dive into in some later videos. But yeah,
Yeah. And we're happy to start, and we are extremely excited for the next videos we have planned. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and we'll see you later.
thank you.